Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? It's the weekend and it's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home. Or is it? We'll leave it at that, shall we? Right, this evening I am doing my unboxing. I am doing the unboxing of Birchbox this month. Okay, what is Birchbox, I hear you ask? For those of you who don't know, hi and welcome, because obviously a first time you've come to my channel, so hi and welcome. I do many subscription boxes on my channel. I do makeup reviews and first impressions, and I just like to have a little chit chat. I'm a bit of a chatterer. I do like to talk a lot. So this evening I am doing Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It costs £10. You get Birchbox in the UK and I do believe you get it in the US as well. It's £10 plus £2.95. Contents of the box tends to be 5 sample deluxe size items inside the box. Usually very unique, very innovative products. Tends not to be sort of the standard products you get in all the other beauty subscription boxes. They do tend to be a little bit more, just a little bit more different. So that's why I like getting them. Yeah, so £12.95 every month, and you just get a nice try of products to give a good go of. So this evening what I'm doing, I've got my box here. My box came at the beginning of the week, which was wonderful, but my daughter's box didn't come until today, so she's tore into it straight away. So I do have her package down there. I haven't actually opened it, but I have seen what the bag is like this month, which is very nice. So let me stop talking and let me show you my box. So here we go, that's it. So it says, hello, nice to meet you. And let me see if I can open it without using scissors. Right, here we go. Oh, I should tell you how I got on with last month's box, shouldn't I? So last month, what did I get last month? Last month was all right. Oh, this is very nice, isn't it? Look at that. It is very nice. It is very nice. It's a good size. It's kind of a plasticky material. So you could almost use it like a wash bag, can't you? If you're going to the pool or to the beach or something. And it's got that whole ropey kind of effect. This is actually a nice bag. Definitely can use this again. And it's got the little Birchbox label there. That is actually a really nice bag. But yeah, let me go over last month's box. So last month, what did we get? Last month we've got the Jecker Black glow drops. I haven't used them yet, but my intention is when the weather decides to start shining again, because the weather has been really bad this last week and a half. It just hasn't been nice at all. I don't know where the sun has gone. Where I am down here on the south coast of England, I get a little bit of sunshine in the evening. So like now, the sun's come out. The sky is fairly clear. There's a few little wisps of cloud. But during the day, it's just dark. It's cloudy. It's little bits of rain. And it's been like that for the last week and a half. So I haven't had the opportunity, is what I'm saying, to use these little glow drops. And my intention was to use the glow drops on, say, like my high points, my shoulders, that sort of thing. I wasn't going to use it on my face because it's too greasy for my face. And I've got very oily skin. So it wasn't for me for that. The other thing we got was from Amika. Amika is a brand I really like, and that was like a hair shine mask. I have used it occasionally. I don't always remember to use it, but I have put it in my hair. Like for most of this week I've had my hair back in sort of two braids going back, so I did apply it just to give my hair a little bit of shine and help slick back. So I have used it. It's an alright product. It's not something that I'd probably go out and buy. It's not the kind of product I'd use regularly because it's not so much of a moisturising product. It does give a little shine. It gives a little slip. It helps to make the comb go through nice and easy or the brush go through. But it's probably not the kind of product I would go out and buy again. But it's a nice quality product. There was also a product from This Works. I'm just having a look down here because I did make a quick note. It was called a Stress Check Mood Manager. Things like that I tend to give to my daughter. So I'm not sure how she's got on with it, but I tend to give those kind of things to my daughter. This Works, because they're very much into calm and sleep and sort of relaxation. Anytime I get a product from This Works, I tend to always give it to my daughter. The other thing was from Grace and Stella. It was a gel eye mask. It's just a standard gold gel mask, sort of jelly material. Again, it's a gel patch. I love gel patches and I always put them on under my eyes. I'll use them in the morning or I'll use them at night. So I think I used that sort of within the first week of receiving that. So that has been used. And the other thing was the Sand and Sky, and it was a new product. It was a kind of a new dewy kind of mask, and they gave us a little application tool to go with it as well. Did I use that? I don't think I used it. I think I might have put it in my giveaway box, which I've got going at the moment. I'm not sure. Pretty certain I didn't use it, and I think it was because it's a dewy product. It's not something that's going to be matting, not going to give matte clear skin. It was more to give your skin a little bit of illumination, a little bit of dew. Not something I need, because what's the problem? I've got very oily skin, shine, oil, dew, illumination. I don't need any of that. I've got plenty of it naturally. So yeah, I think I put it in my giveaway box. Right, let's crack on and see what is inside our July box. Oh, bag. I actually really like this. This is good. Let's see what we've got. Last month I didn't get a card, so hopefully I've got a card this month. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, wow. Okay. There's a clothy thing there. So it says here, hello Birchboxers. This summer we're taking a break from the hustle and bustle to get closer to the nature with a countryside staycation. Okay. Sometimes changing up your routine and escaping to the country is exactly what you need. July's floral beauty bag is reminiscent of countryside scenery, especially curated to remind you to get closer to nature. Probably why I like it, because it kind of suits me living down here, really. Let the fresh air, green fields and sunshine help you to relax, recharge and reflect. Okay, so, and the same here, if you upload a picture of your July Birchbox to Instagram with the hashtag BirchboxUK and tag us at BirchboxUK to be entered into our monthly giveaway of a bundle of beauty goodies. Okay, right, let's go for our products. So the first product is Refill. Oh, this was the product we could choose, and I think all it was is that you just choose the colour of the packaging that you wanted. There were several colours. There was this colour, there was a peachy colour possibly, can't remember, but this is the one I chose. I'm not quite sure what it was. So this is from Refill, and it's a beauty balm, and it's light green. This is full size, and it's worth £11. So it's not just a lip balm. This is your ultimate all over salve, and it's endlessly refillable, made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides and squalene. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft, never sticky. It has just a hint of chamomile for a light and calming scent. And psst, each refill case is made from post-consumer recycled plastic. By purchasing refills, instead of buying another balm, you are reusing 95% of the original package and helping to keep plastic out of our landfills. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let's take it out. It's got a very light scent, not unpleasant, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so they're saying you can use it on your lips, but I probably won't because I've got plenty of things for my lips. So let's just put it on my knuckles that do tend to get a little bit dry sometimes. It is just a moisturising salve. Okay. Right, so that could be quite soothing if you do suffer from dry hands and you have dry bits. So I'm just doing it over my knuckles. I didn't moisturise my hands before I came on the camera, and I just finished washing up. Okay, it's useful. £11. Pricey, but then if you're going to be refilling, not sure how you'd refill. So I'm assuming to buy the refill you have to go to this company and buy the refill, because you can't use a refill from any other company, I'm assuming. Don't know. Right, let's go on to the next product. So the next product is from Arrow. So this is from Arrow. I've had a product from them before which I haven't used yet. This is a Radiant Skin Moisturizer. So this is from Arrow's Revive line of hydrating brightening products. This lightweight daily moisturizer has a subtle sheen that illuminates your skin as it hydrates and soothes. You may get out get out the door just a little bit faster when you see the instant healthy looking glow it gives your complexion. And guess what? Ara is our in-house clean and vegan beauty line that we developed to simplify your routine. Okay, so Ara is a Birchbox brand. Okay, I should probably spend a little bit more time looking at this then, shouldn't I? I'll try and give this a go, but don't expect anything majorly impactful coming from me, because they're saying it's lightweight, which is good, but it gives a subtle sheen and illumination, and as I said before, what is it? I've got very oily skin, so it's probably not the kind of product for me, but no, I'll give it a go, try them out since it's their own brand. Next is something from Birchbox, and this is what I'm interested in. This I am interested in. This is from Birchbox, and it's their microfiber hair towel. You know what? I was actually going to suggest to another brand which I get my hair products from. I was going to suggest to the owner if she could supply her own brand hair towel, microfiber hair towel, because these are the things that you should be using rather than a normal towel that can really dry and break your hair. Microfiber towels are much more drier and much more gentle on our hair, won't cause so much damage. So, you know, or if you haven't got a microfiber towel, just use an old t-shirt. But yeah, this is fantastic. Great. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm saying great. So it's a microfiber hair towel and it's worth £15, obviously full size. Your hair deserves better than harsh towels. Go easy on your locks and cut drying time in half with this microfiber hair towel. The quick dry material has a greater surface area to absorb water, meaning the average person hair can dry in as little as 30 minutes. The superfine microfiber is softer than regular towels, meaning less effort and friction, and it's the friction that can cause damage to our hair. So less effort and friction is required to dry your hair, keeping hair cuticles flat and smooth. Your locks will be soft, manageable and frizz-free with less product. And did you know a 1 square inch of microfiber towel has over 200,000 fibres? Oh, you know what? This already is my star product. Don't really care what else is in the bag, really. This has done it for me. Yeah, please. It's like the ones I've had before. Yeah, so the ones I've had before, they have the little button in the front, and then you just, when you wrap it around your hair, wrap it around, and you should have a loop somewhere. Yeah, here's the loop, and you tie it around, so you put it on your hair at the front with the button at the front, twist it, and you just put this over there, and you use the oh god, try to. So my fingers are starting to swell up because it's the evening, and yeah, you just put it around the button like that and do it here. Excellent. Oh, I'm really chuffed with that. Really pleased with that. That to me is like probably one of the most useful products I've received so far this year. It's simple things in life really, isn't it? It's just practical, useful things. So yeah, chuffed with that. And the last product is from Philip Kingsley. Yay, good old Philip Kingsley. So we've got the pre-fruit, yeah, it's the Elasticizer. So where is that then? Okay, here we go, Elasticizer. So they're doing it in these little pouches now. So you've got this pre-shampoo treatment, perfect for all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakage and frizz, also known as salon-worthy tresses. So obviously, I don't know if you guys know, but you should do by now, because we've been receiving Philip Kingsley's Elasticizers in beauty boxes for years now, but made famous by Philip Kingsley, who used it on Audrey Hepburn, and Audrey Hepburn was very much known for her healthy, luscious looking hair. So yeah, he used to use this as a pre-shampoo on her hair. So what was it? Yeah, so they're saying here the uplifting fragrance of Egyptian jasmine and mandarin will leave you with a bounce in your hair and your step. Apply to damp hair for a minimum of 10 minutes, rinse and follow with shampoo and conditioner. Start with a small amount and add more if you need it. Your hair will absorb as much as it needs, and that is it. Yep. Yeah, so yeah, this fragrance, the jasmine and mandarin, is the current fragrance they're using at the moment with Philip Kingsley, because I've got a big 1 litre tub of this upstairs. So that is all good. I'm pleased about that as well. And I've got finally one more product in here, and it's a mask. Is it a face mask? No, it's a foot mask. Oh, well, this would be nice. I can use it with my my Toil Box products. So this is a foot mask, foot therapy collagen infused Footsie. Is it called Footsie? No, it's a booty. I'm calling it Footsie. It's a booty. And it's worth £4.95. So hey Twinkle Toes, are your feet feeling dry, tired and in need of an intense moisturising treatment? This innovative double layered booty with removable toe tips enriched with shea butter and marine collagen hydrates and nourishes feet while salicylic acid dissolves skin debris. Get smooth sandal ready feet for the summer. And yay, these booties are safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. Wonderful. I like this box. I like this box a lot. I'm happy with that. And you know it's the towel that's done it for me. Yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. So this I will definitely be using, the little Footsie booty mask thing. That will definitely get used. This is fantastic, this bag itself, so that's really useful. The Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, that will get used. It always gets used. Not sure how this is going to get used. I mean, I'll leave it on my desk here and I'll see if I sort of reach for it, if I do anything. I will know over time. So that little balm thing. The face moisturizer, not that keen on this item to be honest, but because it's a Birchbox own brand, I'm going to give it a try. I'll try and use it for a week and see how I get on with it. But do please bear in mind that I have got very oily skin, so when I do give my final thoughts on this, bear that in mind. Oily skinned, not dry skinned, so you know it's not the kind of product I would normally use, is what I'm saying here. So there's that. Absolutely loving this towel. I think this towel is a wonderful idea. Absolutely chuffed with that. Before I finish, let me just show you what my daughter got, see if she's got any variations. So there's my daughter's one. I asked her quickly, is she happy with it? And she said yes. So she's got the towel as well. She just got a slightly different colour of the balm. Let me see if it looks different on the inside. No, it's the same colour on the inside. So she's got that. She also got the Elasticizer. She got the Moisturizer. Yep. And she got the little booty. So exactly the same thing. The only variation is the colour of the casing of the refill balm. So yeah. £12.95. Yeah. I'm definitely seeing my value in my Birchbox this month. I've got to say, I think this is my favourite Birchbox I've received this year. It's the one that's definitely standing out for me. Cool guys, that's very good. I'm pleased with that. Ding. Right, I'm going to leave you guys. So thank you very much for watching. I don't think I've got any other beauty box subscriptions coming this weekend. I got an email from Glossybox to say that there is a big delay on my box. So they're looking at shipping my Glossybox out between the 12th and the 19th of July. So whether I'll be bothered to film it or not by the time it comes, I do not know. I've done Rockerbox, I've done Toil. I have got some makeup I'm going to be trying soon, which I've purchased recently, and then I'll have my American Beauty boxes. So those, I only put the request in to ship my American Beauty boxes out this morning, so that's going to be another 2 weeks before they arrive. So we're looking at towards the end of July for my June American Beauty boxes to arrive over. So that's it really. So all I think I'll be doing this weekend is this Birchbox. I might do the makeup, and I'll do the second part of what's in my trash as well this weekend. There might be 3 parts in what's in my trash, because the bag just keeps on growing. It really does keep on growing. Alright guys, have a great weekend, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, you know what you need to do. Just press that subscribe. Press the all. Really important that you press the bell, and I will see you soon. Take care.